Life before Student Breakthrough was tense, conflict-ridden and fueled by arguments.
Just seemed like a constant challenge that we weren't able to solve when we could see the next challenge coming over the hill and we hadn't really finished with the previous challenge. So I think the negativity and conflict was affecting the family because even though the things were quite small, the impact seemed constantly to be really big, and we could, and it just seemed to be ever present. It was like, what will be the next conflict? Because there will be one.
The constantness of it was that we were always butting heads.
The greatest benefit of the Student Breakthrough coaching is that our relationships changed.
I think the greatest change was that we all wanted it to change. We all wanted to find a solution, and we were all prepared to give and to adapt our behaviour to try and make things work.
If we hadn't have used Student Breakthrough, I don't think we could see a way out of the conflict, see a way out of the challenges. I don't want to think what it could have been like, because I think it could have been really difficult, and it wasn't, because we used Student Breakthrough.
I would recommend Student Breakthrough to other parents because it gives you a fresh perspective. When you feel like you've exhausted every strategy you've used up to date, it gives you a break, it gives you fresh perspective, and it gives you new tools to put in your toolkit.
I think it's really useful as a parent to be able to step away from a situation, have some support yourself, have somebody talk about what's going on, and just really be able to step out of what can feel like a bit of a boxing ring sometimes, and step out of it and think about what you want to achieve. And I'm not sure we would have been able to do that without Student Breakthrough.